Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, Making Sense of Credit. I'm Tony Hill. I'm a personal and small business credit coach, online marketer, YouTuber. Hey, welcome. And it's going to be another quick video for you. Just wanted to make you sure you're aware of this, the new Apple Card, and I got an update for you. Look, before I jump right in, smash the like button, hit the notification bell for upcoming content, make a comment if you like. And most of all, share this with your friends and family. And please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. Hey, real quick, if you don't know, the Apple Card now affects your credit score on all three credit reports. I guess starting out, it was only on TransUnion, but now it's on all three. One thing I want to say about the Apple Card is that it seems like, and I don't have one, but, working with my clients, it seems like, typically you get 3 to 5 times less than credit limit versus other cards. So if you're looking for a big limit card, I would say this is probably not the one. Once again, Apple affects all three credit scores. It used to be TransUnion only. Experian began factoring in last month. Some customers have reported it's reporting retroactively, which means that from the time that they open the cards, look like it went back and started reporting to all the bureaus for a longer period of time, retro. You may see a bump in your credit score as a result of the Apple Card being added to your report. It will certainly help you if you have a thin file. What is the thin file? Generally, if you have less than 5 accounts, you have a thin file. So if this is one of your few accounts, you'll definitely see a bump in your credit. And then, of course, you have more credit utilization, which is a good thing. You now have access to more credit, and utilization should go down. Additionally, you're building a payment history with the new credit provider, which also boosts your score. Remember, new trade lines reduces the average length of your credit history across the credit card sources, which sometimes can hurt your credit score for a short period of time. Then your score comes back as you make on-time payments. Also, Apple is still offering customers the option to defer payments because of COVID-19. And they extended it to May, June, and to August. So, of course, this is still August. So this is August 24th, 2020. So you still got time, if that's not the case, to get it deferred. And hopefully you've already deferred it by now. Well, I just wanted to drop you this update about the new Apple Card now reporting to all three credit bureaus. Hopefully this helps you if you have one. There is a way to get an Apple Card. Number one, you definitely have to have a iPhone and to be able to get an Apple Card. That's the first thing. But look, if you like this video, please like it. And once again, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, Tony Hill, making sense of credit, making sense of making money online. Stay safe. Peace.